What's up? It's Susie from Hey Girl Hey, and today we're making the ultimate smoked baked potato. Plus, we're pairing it with an amazing way to level up your leftover pulled pork. We're piling our potatoes high with that pulled pork. All the baked potato fixings for a stuffed baked potato you will never forget. Let's do it. We're gonna start by prepping our potatoes. I've got some medium-sized russet potatoes here. Everything works if they're larger or smaller. You just have to adjust the cook time a little bit. Pierce them on all sides with a fork. Drizzle with olive oil. This is gonna give us a nice crispy crunch on the outside of our potatoes, and coat it thoroughly. Those are some slippery suckers there. Season on all sides with my beef rub seasoning, or you can use salt, pepper, garlic powder. We are going to eat the skins on these. They have a ton of flavor, so we're actually seasoning the outside of our potatoes on purpose. Close the lid and let them roll. They usually take about 2 hours to hit. I like to get my potatoes up between 205 and 210. As silly as it is to temp test your potatoes, it'll give you a really good indicator of doneness on the inside without them being dry. They'll be so nice and fluffy. Split them open with a butter knife. I'm using some gloves because they are really, really hot. Then it's time to fill. I've got some warmed leftover pork. Oh my gosh, look at the bark on the outside of that pulled pork. It's so delicious. One of my favorite ways to use pulled pork leftovers. I'm also going to top them with some shredded cheese. If you are not a shredded cheese fan, you could use some like, I'm not going to say like Velveeta necessarily, but you totally could, and it's awesome. Sour cream, green onions, some crispy, crunchy, crumbled bacon, because we want some pork on pork inside of these potatoes. And then drizzle it with your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using my everything barbecue sauce. It's the perfect blend of sweet and savory. All right, my friends, I think I have made a loaded barbecue stuffed baked potato, hereby dubbed the Idaho Taco, that would make even my Idaho-born producer very proud. We've got smoky baked potato with all the seasoning on the outside, so yes, you can absolutely eat the skin, and you should. Plus, it's loaded with smoky pulled pork, cheese, sour cream, bacon, barbecue sauce. I would probably recommend actually eating these with a fork and a knife. But you know, when it comes to taste test time, I'm just a girl who makes a lot of bad decisions. I don't know if there is a better food in the world than a potato, but you stuff it with smoky pulled pork and creamy sour cream and tangy barbecue sauce. That's like some next level leftovers happening right there. Let me know what you guys are gonna stuff your smoked baked potatoes with, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great one. That's so good.